Welcome back to Drifting South. This week, Brent and Minnie and I are exploring the little town of Tonopah before heading further south to Las Vegas and Boulder Beach, Nevada. This is our first winter living full-time in an RV, and we'd love for you to join us on our little adventure. The town of Tonopah was established in the early 1900s, as nearly $121 million worth of silver and gold were extracted from the mines throughout the town, especially the one right behind the Mizpah Hotel. We were greeted by a mini casino and a beautiful long bar, but the first thing that caught my eye was the big vault doors open on the other side of the room. Inside the old safe was a museum with so much history of the old days of the hotel. I checked out the annex room upstairs first before checking out the rest of the hotel, and one thing I noticed for sure is how dimly lit this place was, which made it a little bit more spooky. As I climbed each floor, I could feel my chest getting heavier, which I feel is an energy, the energies that have been left here, and some are from spirits that haven't passed through to the other side. One of these spirits was called the Lady in Red, and she lived on the 5th floor of the hotel, and to this day she actually has her own themed room. It is believed that it was either a jealous boyfriend or a patron who stabbed and strangled her in her room. Some people have reported seeing her spirit wandering the hallways, and some people even hear her voice whispering to them in the elevator. I met Brent back in the lobby before heading to our next spooky destination, which is the Clown Motel that sits right next to an abandoned cemetery. About this place. It's a clown motel. Everything's painted in different colors, and we get this sticker because we're also close to Area 51. So spooky, extraterrestrial, pretty awesome day. With that on the RV, let's go check out the cemetery. George Dondard, Belmont Minor Fire, February 23rd, 1911. Malcolm Larson. What happened to your grave, Malcolm? Baby Wilson, broken heart. Stuff is in between. Our final stop on our little town tour was at the Tonopah Historic Mining Park, which is right behind the Mizpah Hotel. Everything is in such close distance to each other in this town, it was easy to pack all of these things into one day. This mining park is a complete museum. It's over 100 acres, and it's just a really cool place to check out. really awesome breakfast at the Strawberry Hill Diner, we were on our way to Vegas on Highway 95, which had a few really cool points of interest, including the little town of Goldfield. Welcome to the Hitch and Post RV Park in fabulous Las Vegas. After settling in, we got ourselves ready for a night out on the town, and we did it right. Sunday morning now, and we're at Cabellas Outdoor World. We're gonna get some fun stuff for the rest of our trip, and we're bringing Minnie with us. We're just about done packing up here. The Hitch and Post RV Park in Las Vegas. We had a great time and are really enjoying the weather. It's supposed to get up to almost 30 degrees today. So we're just enjoying the heat. Gotta stop for some groceries and then heading to Lake Mead. At the Boulder Beach campground just outside of Las Vegas, Nevada, and we're going to the Hoover Dam. Woo! Dam! place is huge. I didn't realize we're so close to the Arizona state border because Arizona welcomes you.
You're up on top of that bridge. Yeah. No, you walk up.
What do you think, Minnie? I'm hot. She's hot. This is a really huge place to walk around. I think this is it. I think this is enough. We've seen enough. It's amazing. Wow. Let's go. Anyways, who needs a damn tour when you watch National Lampoon's Vegas Vacation last night? We already got the tour. What should we eat for lunch? How do you feel about loaded nachos? Good? Find one. Let me tell you everything I know about vehicles. This is an airbag. And there's a piece of steel here holding this rubber factory shock. And this piece of metal here is rubbing against this airbag. So it's split there, it's got a hole, and it's not filling with air anymore. That's what I know. So luckily we've got this weight distribution hitch.
Sometimes we use that, so.
Right. So we're just getting ready to leave Boulder Beach Campground. The Sandy Dump here has potable water on one of their stations, so we're gonna fill up with some water because I think we'll be boondocking the next couple nights. And then he's going to drain all of our tanks, and then we'll be on our way to Lake Havasu. Oh gosh. Stressful moments. We just stopped at a rest stop, walked Minnie around, took her time, both used the washroom, When we got back, I had less than 10% battery on my phone, and this is what we used for directions. So I asked Brent to grab his phone so we could use it. We were about a mile away from the rest stop, and Brent realized he didn't frickin' have his phone on him. So we turned around. Luckily, there was a spot to do that, but now we're at the rest stop on the other side of the double-lane highway. So he's run over there. Frickin' hopefully he finds it. I'm just gonna keep calling it. Hopefully if somebody else finds it, they'll answer it and just be like, yeah, your phone's here, and not steal it. Oh, please be good people around his phone. Please save his phone. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Drifting South. We are currently in Arizona on Lake Havasu, just off the highway doing some boondocking. So boondocking is when you have no hookups at all. We have water in our tank, and we have our generator going sometimes just to keep the Starlink running so that we can upload some more videos. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. It not only helps it grow, but it keeps you up to date with any new videos coming out, which is almost weekly. Stay tuned for more adventures coming up shortly. We're going to be heading across the border into Mexico, finding a nice place to stay along the Baja, and we're thinking on the east side, and doing a lot of good saltwater fishing. So yeah, stay tuned for more, and of course, take care until next time.